me that opportunity. Penana better lao. Da don't you lao can go down to me lao can. I'm again again better minister no pay. I tell ye. Barry young attending a loin. I met here together come a kunu. Namachel. And then on Atamo Uluone Upioba. Amanda better one of the deputy minister under Lango Foundation. Oh yeah, to be sponsored by my opponent, Minister Dr. Jen. Keni karana da nguri interest ani ana mitu chunke de minister. They are sponsoring clique of people. Amengara chele yoberu minister under Lango Foundation. Amo Uluone Upioba. Te chako talking back at me you yet talk about down. But and slogan at Tini together we can. You can one do shuti carachel, one round to achieving a charla. So I'm a bit part of the war, I met your pocola. And I'm a bit in lamb and low not take carachel each other, do pinka 1 or 2 bere, one for down a charla. So me, I'm a teacher you balu, but a pap, metendering my resignation. Damn it, loud to shungeni, party me right. Down Mirana Tiame down te quaro. Ento Luenya metikuna manoni giant a shell tishy berekunu. So I don't know how me space can't get a faction chain around leading and never remember the Wake Parliament. Where Hana Anna where Hakuno, but one the child in Lao, take a jammer down one mirror team below. Put Ramati Macadity or Nutty. So me I opted out. My work me a car met him jamba policy now. Okay, me a car me concentrating in my political ambition. Ana chaw balbora a pap his INS the one yashi. Pap muze yusamudure be. American resignation letter. I want to appreciate you for appointing me as a Deputy Minister of Culture and Heritage, but I wish to tender in my resignation due to public demand for me to concentrate on my political ambition. I have also realized part of the team I am supposed to work with are my opponents politically, which may bring conflicts. Secondly, my slogan is Together We Can, which means unity is paramount. So I cannot be part of what divides Lango. We must strive for unity. May God bless Lango, my tribe, and keep us united for God and my country. So man of the position na danga tora metia amia tamne tim peta ana tim achalan kede chal ngara metia neno metello lera city nyo we bie ame bulli duj mir bet kede geni come pien wanu ngioni anyima Uganda beru bulu. So this is a wake up call to the youth. Ni wando niya kwa ni ti jo mara metia chama nyimwa era pegino yeni ni tun kana gino tu shemi echa woni neno unu kitame kada smago ya chalo hikere la kan wuju pio bagi ero entro okwir Kampala gi barwana metu ko bibulni yaw malu pemi woni jani kar me bri chamongono anyimwu. Ana offering myself for the youth, and we shall strive hard for Lao and Uganda. So that is my position. Baramita could be Megana Megin Theatre here. Pay okay Genil Wayne Canba because Mon Tia Kanda Mon Pay Quen, Joconi Chop Pay Quen. So Kangadang in an tell war and party war at your NRM primary, that our final. Kajo Qualaquira NRM primary, for a word. I will still be in ballot 2026. Come rain, come shine. Apoy.
No, respond Ameria Lancaster Foundation Bereningo, yung initial your balony.
No, and a submitting Balnaco. But Prime Minister? Kita dog not responding Mundo is none of my business. But Handanga, I get a resignation. Level Morocco, you cannot force a horse to drink water. Dear Diana Matpi, Gurana, and if you know right the matter. So that is upon them now. barana mar te kwarna amaro ka era no ni jiwa metia lweny melarde te kwaro nyok timo jami pe te kwaro they have their own interest their own interest gipo ber malao era wana meti wana chalo lao we should unite pur wana ti cha poli te kwaro to pe ite ginoro ke ken timo chalo lao.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.